Welcome to the next video in our series, Stock Market for Beginners. My name is Glenn Tompkins, and I hope you're enjoying the journey thus far. I think that the last video, Why Investing is Important, hit home for a lot of people, and I did receive a few emails letting me know it did. Now we know why investing is important. I think it's also important to know that there's other things that we can invest in as well as stocks. Today, we will talk about other types of investments and compare them to stock investing. This helps to give you an all-around perspective of investing. Types of things that you can invest in: a savings account, stocks, real estate, retirement. These are all things that you can invest in to hopefully get a return on your investment. Let's start with a savings account. You get easy access to the money. There's little interest currently being offered for reward. It's a safe investment for long term, but low risk comes with low, steady reward. Let's talk now about asset investments like real estate, buying a home or property, hobby investments like investing in cars, coins, or paintings. Real estate is a good investment for a couple of reasons. I can buy a home, use it as recurring revenue by renting it, and it could become a sole source of income if I can do it time and time again. It's better known as flipping houses. I can buy property and hold it and sell it at the right time to get a nice return on the investment, or it may be a burden when the market is not doing well. This is when these assets become illiquid. Hobby investing can fall into the same issue of being illiquid as well, as you hold vehicles, coins, and paintings without being able to sell them. You need to find a buyer for these things. Another thing for investing is investing in education, gaining a degree to grow your wealth. Once, though, you've invested in this knowledge, it's yours forever, but recouping on that investment can prove to be difficult at times. Doesn't mean that you should do it, but depends on what you got your degree in. How about investing in yourself in other ways besides education? How about investing in traveling? Investing in your own experiences in life is very invaluable. This is how we grow into the people we are today. But it is an investment, not always of money, but time. Investing in retirement, a 401 or IRA investment. This is a great way to prepare yourself for the future so that you can retire with peace of mind when you're done working. Many companies will help you out by matching some of your investment. So investing in long-term retirement. Now, let's get to investing in the stock market. This is a very liquid investing, meaning that the money is there for you pretty much all the time unless you already have it currently invested. When you buy a stock, there must be a buyer for every seller of the stock, so it's easy to get in and out of a trade. It's also easy to open a broker account, fund it, and buy or sell stocks with the click of a mouse button. Now, there's safe investments. When you look at the steadily growing stocks, you got no limit on what you can make, but it is a safe investment which incurs low risk, so the rewards will come over time if you're patient. Now, the other side of the spectrum is that many stocks can be very risky, and you can't lose sight of that. But with the added risk, your potential is higher to have a better reward. Knowing how to balance these is very important. Knowing your investment goals keeps your trading plan in line with what you're trying to accomplish. The fact of the matter, folks, is that all of these investment vehicles should be considered when you invest. Stay diverse in what you do and find the best mixture that fits you. We're talking about savings, real estate, retirement, life, education. Consider all of them as you grow your wealth. If this made an impact on you, please like and share this video. So hopefully I get to see you in the next video. See ya.